Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajela uba Preston Tensong ula pentip bakakenhun Menteri Kelarai ban Pynjlan ya ka Samoi Trei jong ka Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council sya ka Henry Bnai. Habakran cikla pathai kubor ha ka Henry Trik ulaber arhajar apunriu uba Preston ula pentip bakakenhun Menteri Kela Minjur ban Pynjlan ya ka Samoi Trei jong ka Ghadc kata nadu ka khatpra Trei uyayong hadu ka khatpra Trei urisau arhajar apunriu. Ha kabaide bat kamat baki bayakun election ki de bandon ya ka Sernot Schedule Tribe uba Preston uloong baka Sorkar kale na kabanta ka jingbha upat ba uloong ru baka jing I no kam jong albinush marak na ka jinglong nong yalam kumu chief executive member ka Ghadc kalong kabade namarba udu jingshania hakit khot ulay thu ru ba ka Ghadc kala jet yu dor munat ch sangma kumu cm bathamai uba Preston uloong ba ka executive committee ka bathamai kan pet bat yat bet yat enti uloong ba ki jat ben riu garo ki dei ban kemen ba ka Sorkar kale ya ka badei namar ba kala penthamai ya ka EC te kumta ki pat ba kin la ban pensngau ya ki jing bat kin la ru bandon ka jing pen kala haki an.
Only one agenda for the cabinet to decide, and that agenda is relating to the extension of term of Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council. After deliberation, after discussion, all the details, then the cabinet has decided to extend the terms of the present house of the Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council for a period of 6 months with effect from 18 April 2026 up to 18 October 2026. This is the decision taken by the cabinet today. If you have any question, please. See, let me just inform to all of you that again today in the morning the CM of the District Council, Shri Albinus Armarak, has resigned from the post of CM, and I'm also happy to inform to all of you that again in the afternoon of today, again the House has elected new CM by the name of Shri Dharmanat CH Sangma. So the new EC is now in place again, and with the decision taken by the cabinet today to extend the term of the house for another 6 months, now we leave it to the wisdom of the new executive committee to take a call on the issue of scheduled tribe or on the issue of contesting election both by tribal and non-tribal, as far as Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council is concerned, after 18 April. Because see, the extension will be effective from 18 April 2026 up to again 18 of October 2026.
Means 18 October, after 18 October or before 18th October election?
We are open to this. From the government side, we are open. Once because see, the new EC, the new executive committee and the new CM has to take the responsibility. Side by side, even the government will also take the responsibility of calling, inviting for discussion across the table in the level of the government under the chairmanship of the Honorable Chief Minister and as well as in the level of the CEM of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, because we would like to ultimately carry along everybody and to meet the aspirations of our people.
There was no demand for a change of leadership. The issue was ST certificate. Why all of a sudden CM was changed?
I think this is the common phenomena. You can't just say like that. Since about 21 MDCs, I think you knew it well, that day before yesterday, they paraded themselves and met the Honorable Governor. All the 21 of them, as per the rules. Since they are there 20 and above, so the Governor ultimately, in his wisdom, take a call or take a decision. And accordingly, that day, he decided that the issue of CEM or the issue of leadership needs to be proved inside the house. That's why special session was called. Because you need to understand one thing. CEM and chairman of this council is the elected post. It's a constitutional post. If you want to remove, it should be inside the house. Not outside the house. It should be inside the house. Prove the majority. But let me just tell you one thing. Today, before the session starts, the former CM of the District Council, Shri Albinos Armara, he submitted his resignation well before he faced the no confidence inside the house.
So there were some differences between the party and the CEM, outgoing CEM.
Sorry?
There were some differences between BP and the outgoing CEM.
What difference are you talking about? I'm not talking about
that resulted in the change of leadership.
No, you see, number one, let me tell you one thing. If the CM does not consult his own colleague in the executive committee, because see, I think you must have seen that notification. That notification where he ultimately notified in his level about the ST certificate. I'm not saying that it is wrong. In fact, maybe it is right, but it is not as per the prescribed norms, as per the rules. Why should he alone sign the notification? Because this has to be brought to the house. But that itself, he did not do it. So therefore, 21 members of the MDC, ultimately they said, he is not fit to continue as the CEM of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Therefore, he has to ultimately resign from the post. Why? Example, it's because of that. A person as a CEM who does not understand the participation or the discussion, be it in his own executive committee or be it inside the house. So therefore, this is his failure, and ultimately all the MDCs, they went against. Even if the ticket is, I think that is not a new thing. It is not a new thing. For ticket, denial of ticket or allotting ticket, I think this is common issue to every political party. So just because the party does not give you a ticket, can you ultimately deviate yourself from the prescribed norms or the prescribed regulation? You can't do that. I can tell you very, very clearly. I think people of Garo Hills should be happy. Should be happy the decision taken by the government today. The decision taken by the cabinet, it is a landmark decision we taken today. Why we have taken this decision? Number one, why government has to postpone the election? It's because of the law and order. Why law and order comes in? It's because of the aspiration of the people. They are against the participation of the non-tribal in the house. of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Therefore, the decision we taken today, let me tell you one thing, I think all residents of Garo Hills should be happy, because why? Within 3 months' time again, and with the new EC, with the new CM, they will get the opportunity of flagging off all these concerns, and within 6 months' time, we have time to ultimately accommodate or to do the necessary amendment, whatever arises. Well, I think quite a number of arrests. We do have not less than 27, 28 arrests has been made. So now again, if you further ask me about this question, I think let the police go ahead with the investigation, the detailed investigation. I cannot say right now anything. Or maybe some more to be arrested. That also we leave it to the wisdom of the police officials posted over there to see that such incidents that has happened should not again reoccur in future. So, see, not necessarily only in West Garo region. It should be in the entire region, or not only entire region. Maybe from here also. But let the investigation take place. The moment the investigation takes place, I think you understand, we will go up to the end point of the issue.